In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reconnect a disconnected social account in Hootsuite. If you've ever noticed scheduled posts failing or seen a warning that an account is disconnected, don't worry. This usually happens when a social platform's authorization expires, you've changed a password, updated security settings, or removed app permissions. Reconnecting is quick and I'll walk you through it clearly. First, log into your Hootsuite account using a supported up-to-date browser. If you work with multiple organizations or teams, make sure you're in the right one so you reconnect the account where you actually manage content. It helps to have the login details for the social platform you're reconnecting on hand, and if you use two-factor authentication, keep your verification method nearby. Next, head to your social accounts or connected accounts settings. You can usually find this from the main navigation or by opening your profile or organization settings and selecting the area where accounts are managed. This page lists all profiles and pages you've connected to Hootsuite. Now look for the account that's showing as disconnected. It may have a warning icon, a label that says disconnected, or a prompt asking you to take action. If you manage several profiles on the same platform, check the exact handle or page name so you reconnect the right one. When you found it, click the reconnect option beside that account. This will launch the authorization flow. If a new window doesn't appear, check your browser's pop-up blocker and allow pop-ups for Hootsuite so the sign-in screen can open. Sign in to the social platform again using the correct credentials for that specific profile or page. If you're reconnecting a business page, be sure you're using the account that has the necessary admin or publishing rights. Complete any two-factor prompts and confirm it's the intended profile, especially if the platform shows a continue as or account selector screen. Finally, allow Hootsuite access and confirm the account is connected again. Grant the requested permissions so Hootsuite can publish posts, retrieve messages, and display analytics. After you approve, you should be directed back to Hootsuite where the account's status will update to connected. If you still see a disconnected message, refresh the page, verify you signed in with the correct role, and make sure no permissions were declined. A quick page reload or signing out and back into Hootsuite can also help the status update. That's it. Your account is reconnected and your scheduled posts can resume as planned.